Bosnia and Herzegovina is a small but beautiful country located in southeastern Europe on the Balkan Peninsula. It shares borders with Croatia, Serbia, and Montenegro, offering a diverse landscape of mountains and river valleys. Covering an area of around 51,000 square kilometers, it's slightly smaller than Costa Rica. The country has approximately 3.2 million inhabitants, known for their warmth and hospitality. Sarajevo, the capital city, is where East meets West in a unique cultural blend. The official currency is the Bosnian convertible mark, abbreviated as BAM. $1 equals roughly 1.8 BAM, depending on exchange rates. Although it has no coastline today, Bosnia remains a hidden gem for nature lovers and culture seekers alike. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate your time and your support. If you'd like to see more content like this, and even better, higher quality videos in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment below. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this journey going. Bosnia and Herzegovina is home to some of Europe's most untouched natural beauty. Over 60% of its land is covered by forests, giving it a rich green landscape. Rivers like the Una and Drina flow with crystal clear water and spectacular waterfalls. The Kravice Waterfalls and Prkoško Lake look like scenes from a fairy tale. Sutjeska National Park hosts one of Europe's last primeval forests, known as Perućica. Misty mountains, quiet trails, and peaceful nature sounds create a perfect retreat for visitors. Bosnia and Herzegovina has a rich and complex history. In the Middle Ages, it was home to the Bosnian Kingdom. The Ottoman Empire conquered the region in the 15th century and ruled for over 400 years. Later, the Austro-Hungarian Empire controlled the area before it became part of Yugoslavia in the 20th century. In 1992, Bosnia declared independence, which was soon followed by a devastating war. The conflict ended in 1995 with the Dayton Peace Agreement, shaping the country's current political structure. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a crossroads of diverse cultures and religions. Muslims, Orthodox Christians, Catholics, and Jews have lived together here for centuries. In Sarajevo, you can find a mosque, a church, and a synagogue all within the same neighborhood. Traditional music, like sevdalinka, folk dances, and crafts, reflect this rich cultural tapestry. Cultural traditions are not just history here. They are part of everyday life. Beyond the well-known spots, Bosnia hides many secret treasures. Blagaj, with its river spring and ancient dervish monastery, captivates visitors. Lukomir is the country's highest village, where life feels like it has paused in time. Travnik is famous for its Ottoman fortresses and colorful houses. Prakoshko Lake offers a peaceful mountain retreat away from crowds. The best time to visit Bosnia is during spring and autumn, when the weather is mild. Buses connect major cities, but renting a car is recommended for exploring nature. The currency is BAM, and while cards are widely accepted, cash is useful in rural areas. Prices in Bosnia are generally affordable compared to other European countries. English is commonly spoken among younger generations, making travel easier. Some remote mountain areas have weak mobile signals, so plan accordingly. Did you know Bosnia is the only country in the world ruled by 3 presidents? The Starry. Most Bridge is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and symbolizes unity. Many rivers here have such pure water that drinking straight from them is safe. Prokoshko Lake is home to rare amphibians found only in this region. Some rivers flow underground, defying usual geography, creating natural wonders. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate your time and your support. If you'd like to see more content like this, and even better, higher quality videos in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment below. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this journey going. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a rare example of religious harmony and coexistence. Muslims, Orthodox Christians, and Catholics have lived side by side for centuries. Each group freely practices its faith and is represented in public life. Religious tolerance is part of daily life here. Festivals like Ramadan and Christmas are celebrated in close succession, bringing communities together. Our journey ends here, but the magic of Bosnia will stay with you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. Join us next time as we explore another hidden gem in the world. Stay calm and keep exploring.